Hi everyone! It's a rare warm January day, and Sadie and I just couldn't resist getting outside to do a little yard cleanup. It's amazing how even a little fresh air and a bit of work in the garden can boost your mood. First up, I tackled some pots. The annuals had seen better days, so it was just time to say goodbye. Clearing them out now will also make it easier to plant when I get fresh flowers for spring. The jasmine also received some attention. A little trim keeps it tidy and encourages healthy growth later in the season. And I'm not sure what I'm doing about it, if I'm keeping it or not, but I want to keep it tidy for now. Next, I moved on to the daylilies and gave them a good cleanup. Cutting them back now lets the plant focus on new growth when the warmer months roll around. Now for the sedum and ornamental grasses. These are such garden staples, but they need a good cutback every winter, and it feels so satisfying to clear away the old to make way for the new. And while I was out here, I even snuck in a little bit of weeding, especially around the rocks and the old garden. It's easier to spot them now before everything starts to grow again. Getting outside today was just what I needed. A little sunshine, some fresh air, the satisfaction of tidying up the garden. It's a perfect reminder that even small steps can make a big difference. Sadie enjoyed her part too. Moral support and a little yard inspection. She gives the cleanup 2 paws up. Thanks for joining us today. If you're itching to get outside and tackle a little yard work, I highly recommend it. Let me know in the comments what your January garden plans are, and we'll see you next time. I hope you get a chance to enjoy your garden today.